Skills pay the bills, but high-income skills build empires. Listen up. If you're in your 20s and still relying on a 9-to-5 mindset, you're already falling behind. The world is changing fast, and those who learn high-income skills now will be the ones driving Lambos, traveling the world, and living life on their own terms. The more you learn, the more you earn. Think about it. Why do some people struggle for years to make a basic salary? It's not luck. The skills. The right skills can take you from broke to financially free without waiting decades. Don't work for money. Make money work for you. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 high-income skills that will skyrocket your income, give you financial freedom, and help you escape the rat race, even if you're starting from zero. Stay till the end because I'll also reveal how you can learn these skills fast and start making serious money.
Let's get into it.
1. Sales and high-ticket closing is the ultimate high-income skill. If you can sell, you will never be broke. Sales isn't just about pushing products. It's about understanding human psychology, persuasion, and solving problems. And when you master high-ticket closing, selling premium products or services worth $1,000, $5,000, or even $50,000, you unlock uncapped income potential. Why sales is a skill for life. Sales is recession-proof. No matter the industry, tech, real estate, coaching, SaaS, companies always need great closers. Unlike coding or design, sales can't be replaced by AI because it's about human connection. Now, imagine 5 years from now, you've built relationships with CEOs and business owners. You have multiple income streams from commissions, partnerships, and maybe even your own business. You can work from anywhere, since most high-ticket sales happen over Zoom or calls. You're making $10,000 plus per month without worrying about degrees or job security. What you gain from mastering sales. Financial freedom, no income limits. The better you sell, the more you earn. Confidence and persuasion makes you a better communicator in business and life. Entrepreneurial power. If you ever start a business, you won't struggle to get customers. Job security. Sales is always in demand, no matter the industry or economy. How to start. 1. Learn sales psychology. Books like The Way of the Wolf by Jordan Belfort. 2. Practice daily. Sell something, even if it's small, freelance, dropshipping, or services. 3. Get high-ticket experience. Find coaches, agencies, or companies hiring closers. Master the skill, and in a few years, you'll be making more than doctors and engineers without a degree. So, are you ready to learn the most profitable skill on the planet? How much can you earn? Let's talk numbers. As a beginner, closing just one $2,000 sale per week with a 10% commission means $800 per week or $3,200 per month. With experience, closing one $10,000 sale per week at a 15% commission means $1,500 per week or $6,000 per month. Top closers closing 5 to 10 deals per week make $10,000 to $50,000 plus per month, and that's just from commissions. 2. Copywriting is a high-income skill you need to master. Writing hand. If you can write words that sell, you'll never have to worry about money. Copywriting is the skill of using words to persuade, influence, and drive action. Whether it's selling a product, generating leads, or making people click that Buy Now button. Every business, brand, and marketer needs great copy to make sales. And if you can deliver, they'll pay you thousands of dollars per project. Why copywriting is a skill for life. It's evergreen. Marketing will always need persuasive writing. It's remote-friendly, work from anywhere in the world. It's AI-proof. AI can write, but it can't sell like a human. It gives you leverage. Once you master copy, you can sell anything, including your own business ideas. 5 years from now, imagine this. You're writing for top brands, influencers, and businesses. You've built a personal brand as a high-paid writer. You have multiple income streams, client work, royalties, or even your own business. You're making $10,000 to $50,000 per month working just a few hours per day. Benefits of becoming a copywriting master. Make money anytime. Businesses always need great copy. Freelance or agency. Work for yourself or scale into a copywriting agency. No degree required. Clients care about results, not certificates. Sell anything, whether it's ads, e-commerce, or even your own products, copywriting is a superpower. How to start. 1. Learn the fundamentals. Study great copywriters. Gary Halbert, David Ogilvy, Dan Kennedy. 2. Write daily. Start by rewriting ads, sales pages, and emails. 3. Get clients. Offer free work at first, then charge high as you improve. Master the skill and you'll have businesses chasing you, not the other way around. So, ready to write your way to wealth? How much can you earn? Let's talk real numbers. Beginner copywriters make $500 to $2,000 per project. Emails, landing pages, social media ads. Experienced copywriters charge $5,000 to $10,000 plus per sales page, one-time fee. Top copywriters get revenue shares, earning $10,000 to $100,000 plus per campaign if it performs well. Some legendary copywriters have made millions just by writing a few pages of text. 3. Digital marketing is the ultimate money-making skill. If you know how to get businesses more customers online, you will never be broke. Period. Digital marketing is all about getting attention, driving traffic, and converting leads into paying customers, using platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, SEO, and email marketing. Every business, from startups to billion-dollar brands, needs more sales, and they are willing to pay thousands of dollars to marketers who can bring them results. Why digital marketing is a skill for life. Every business depends on marketing. Without it, they die. You can work remotely or start your own agency. It's scalable. Run ads for multiple clients at once and earn passive income. AI can assist, but human marketers who understand psychology and strategy will always be in demand. Fast forward 5 years. Imagine this. You're running a 6-figure agency or consulting high-paying clients. You've built multiple passive income streams, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, or SaaS. You work from anywhere, setting your own hours. You never worry about money. Businesses keep paying you because you make them more money. What you gain from mastering digital marketing. High-demand businesses are desperate for marketers who can actually bring results. Multiple income streams, ads management, SEO, consulting, affiliate marketing, and more. Scalability. Start small, then outsource and automate as you grow. Freedom. Work for yourself, not a 9-to-5 job. How to start. 1. Learn the platforms: Google Ads, Facebook Ads, SEO, email marketing, free courses on Google, HubSpot. 2. Run small campaigns. Test ads for a personal project or a small business. 3. Get clients. Offer results-based pricing and scale to high-ticket contracts. Master this skill, and in a few years, you could be making $10,000 plus per month without a boss, without limits. So, are you ready to turn clicks into cash? How much can you earn? Let's break it down. Beginner digital marketers make $500 to $2,000 per month managing small ad campaigns. Experienced marketers charge $3,000 to $10,000 per month per client. Performance-based marketers, who get paid per result, can scale to $10,000 to $50,000 plus per month by running multiple campaigns. If you build your own agency, $100,000 plus per month isn't crazy. Investing and trading is the fastest way to build wealth. If you want financial freedom, you need to learn how to make your money work for you, not just work for money. That's where investing and trading come in. Whether it's stocks, crypto, forex, or real estate, smart investors multiply their wealth while others keep trading their time for a paycheck. The difference between rich and poor isn't just income, it's how they use money. Why investing is a skill for life. Recession-proof, markets go up and down, but investors always find opportunities. Compounding wealth. The earlier you start, the faster your money multiplies. No boss, no limits. You don't need clients or products, just smart decisions. AI and automation help, but strategy wins. While AI analyzes data, human psychology still drives markets. Fast forward 5 years. Imagine this. You've built a 6 to 7-figure portfolio with stocks, crypto, or real estate. Your money makes money you earn while sleeping. You have financial freedom, working because you want to, not because you have to. You never stress about a job. Your investments cover your lifestyle. What you gain from mastering investing and trading unlimited earning potential scale as high as your knowledge allows. Passive income, your money grows without constant effort. Freedom and independence, no bosses, no clients, just your decisions. Generational wealth, if done right, your money lasts beyond your lifetime. How to start. 1. Learn market basics. Study investing books. The Intelligent Investor, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. 2. Start small. Invest in stocks, ETFs, or crypto with money you can afford to lose. 3. Master risk management. Never invest blindly. Always have a strategy. Master the skill and you'll never have to worry about money again. So, are you ready to make your money work for you? How much can you earn? Unlike a 9 to 5 job, investing has no income limits. Beginner traders might make $100 to $1,000 per month, side income. Intermediate investors can scale to $5,000 to $10,000 per month with solid risk management. Pro traders and long-term investors can earn $100,000 plus per year, some even hitting 7-figure portfolios. Passive investors in real estate or index funds build millions over decades, without active work. 5. Content creation and personal branding is the ultimate wealth-building skill. In today's digital world, attention equals money. If you can capture attention and build an audience, you can create multiple income streams without relying on a job or clients. From YouTube, blogging, and Instagram to TikTok and Twitter, content creators are making 6 to 7 figures through ads, brand deals, coaching, digital products, and even businesses. Why content creation is a skill for life. Your brand works for you, no boss, no limits, just your creativity and strategy. Passive income, 1 viral video or blog post can pay you for years. Infinite opportunities, build businesses, communities, and income streams with your audience. AI can help, but personality wins. AI can create content, but real human connection keeps people coming back. Fast forward 5 years. Imagine this. You have millions of followers across YouTube, Instagram, or Twitter. You make $10,000 to $100,000 per month from ads, sponsorships, and your own products. You travel, work from anywhere, and do what you love. You have financial freedom and brands come to you, not the other way around. What you gain from content creation and personal branding. Multiple income streams, ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, digital products, and more. Scalability. 1 viral video can change your life overnight. Authority and influence. A strong brand brings endless opportunities. Freedom, work on your own terms and build wealth doing what you love. How to start. 1. Pick your platform, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or a blog. 2. Create valuable content. Focus on entertainment, education, or inspiration. 3. Stay consistent, post regularly. Engage with your audience, and keep improving. Master this skill, and in a few years, your name alone could be worth millions. How much can you earn? Let's break it down. Small creators, 5K, 50K followers, make $500 to $2,000 per month from ads and small sponsorships. Growing creators, 100K, 500K audience. Earn $5,000 to $20,000 plus per month with brand deals and product sales. Big creators, 1M plus followers, can easily make $50,000 to $500,000 per month through multiple streams. Personal brands that sell their own courses, memberships, or consulting can make $100,000 plus per month without relying on ads. Success won't happen overnight, but in a few years, your name alone could be worth millions. Alright, that wraps up the 5 high-paying skills that can change your life. Now, tell me in the comments, which skill are you learning first? Or are you already making money with one of these? Let's discuss. If you found this video valuable, smash that like button. It helps more people discover this content. And hey, if you love learning high-income skills, business, and success tips, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. New game-changing videos are dropping soon. You don't want to miss them. Thanks for watching. Stay focused, keep grinding, and I'll see you in the next one.